Leixlip Water Treatment Works supplies about 30% of the water for all of the Dublin region. It supplies all of Fingal County Council, and it supplies the North City fringe in the centre of Dublin. It also supplies a good portion of Kildare and some water also to South Dublin and Meath. Because the water we treat is a surface water, it's from a river, you have the normal processes associated with surface water. So we have sedimentation, clarification and filtration. The energy use in the plant is between 1.1 and 1.2 million units per month. That unit is a kilowatt hour. The technology we've recently installed is on our high lift pumps. They pump most of the water from this plant up to our main reservoir about 10 kilometres away. The technology is variable speed drives on the high lift pumps. Normally an electric motor will run at a constant speed, so you get one speed out of the pump, and that means that you only have a fixed efficiency point on the pump. If you can vary the speed, you can actually change the efficiency point as well, so it allows us to be more efficient with different flows. The drop in energy consumption was from an average between 1.3 and 1.4 million units a month down to now we use between 1.1 and 1.2 million units per month, and that's a saving of about 200,000 units per month, 200,000 kilowatt hours. Now in money terms that means we save at least €40,000 a month. It's somewhere between 40,000 and 100,000 because the price of electricity has actually fallen. To implement the project cost us about €410,000, but because of the savings we made, the payback period was 15 months, so we were very pleased with that. Initially a big decision had to be made to spend over €400,000, but since we saved it back in less than 15 months, we were very, very pleased. We were hoping for somewhere around 20%, but we actually got upwards of 25-30% savings on the pumping. It's good news for the plant because it means the money we're saving allows us to run the plant cheaper, and means that the cost of water is cheaper, and the price isn't going up as fast as it otherwise would, because energy is a large portion of the cost of producing good treated water.